Alright guys, and we are back. I folded the 6, which would have hit a straight, so that's kind of bad. But back right in the action with another strong hand. We'll be raising this to 410. Obviously we have a 4 and a 10, so raise it up to 410. So we'll be making it 410 to go. Unless this guy raises, then we're just going to call because he's a very strong player. Free actor on stage. I don't know what that means, but we're going to make it 410 to go with our strong hand. And hopefully he'll push and we can just basically bust him. Getting moved. We are down to 31 players.
And he was right, but Baxter's backed into the flush. Now Tom's faced with a third barrel.
Got ace 10 hearts, not a very strong hand, so we're just gonna call. If it was offsuit, we might be raising, but again, we like to have our maximum potential to hit a flush, and we didn't hit a flush, but we did hit a good straight draw. We are just gonna call this in fear of him having like a 3-9 or something that has us dominated. So we are just gonna smooth call, and hopefully he doesn't have the hand. All right, the 6 is very dangerous. I'm gonna put someone else. I put him on the 4. So we are gonna be probably folding this. Yeah, we're gonna fold this. He could have anything, but he has the 4 definitely. He has the 4 as I put him on, and that's that. 8-3. We're gonna make it 283 to go. Not really the correct bet, so we do deserve to be punished here if. And this guy's from Poland. This guy, I don't know. The pot is 666. We're gonna make it 555 to go. He has an ace. He just called it. He definitely has the ace. He most definitely 100% has the ace. He has the queen. Pretty much the same thing as the ace. So good check by us. He wasn't going anywhere with 2 pairs. So he played that really well. And you know, we still got a lot of money to go. So I'm very confident we can come back from this little mishap and get it done. So we got a straight draw, flush draw, very good flop. Ace on the turn. We're just going to check it, and we're going to be calling any bets, obviously. Now we got a pair, the hand just gets better, and we're hoping for a bet. He has queen 7, so that's a very strong hand. And our buddy from Poland here obviously took it down. Now we got the 5-8, a really strong hand, one of my favorite hands. We're in position. Normally you want to raise strong hands, you don't want to slow play them, but since I'm in the small blind in position, I can just call and outplay my opponents, like when I hit a flop like that. So hopefully we get paid off. We do get paid off. We're going to just smooth call. And the turn is just money, printing money. He bets big. Now a lot of players here would want to call this, and for some reason I just feel like he has like a 2-7, and he has 3 of a kind, and we're drawing dead. So I'm gonna fold that, even though I might have been making a mistake there. It's a pretty tight laydown. Queen 5, pretty good hand, a little bit marginal. This chick has been in a lot of pots, so we might be able to outplay her.
But he's hoping in vain, as Mike Baxter has flopped just that. And he'll make the call.
And we're gonna just call on the button. Not a bad. We flopped a straight draw. Flush draw. We're looking pretty good here.
Allen calls.
He's gonna bet. We're just gonna call. Normally I would raise there, but he bet. If he bets, I'm gonna have to think about it. Didn't hit my straight, but I still do have queen high, and that's probably the best hand. gonna let this guy outplay us here. He probably had about, I put him on a Jack 7, but we're gonna let him outplay us here. You want to let people outplay you sometimes, because that will make them feel good, and they'll come over confident in their abilities, and you can take them down. So we're gonna min raise this here. When there's a short stack in the pot, I like to min raise a lot with strong hands. Because it kind of forces them into the pot, and when we get flops like that, I mean, obviously, why not? He just min bets. We're gonna just smooth call, and I put him on 2 puppy feet, meaning we're drawing dead, so I'm gonna fold. Tough lay down for me there, but obviously I'm a notch ahead of these players, so.
And instead he hits the brakes, perhaps sensing something as he looks up at Alan and Mike, and now he's going to check. Enjoy. Baxter checks as well and rolls over the best hand, and Dwan likely saved himself a bundle as Baxter would have called. What's that? Bob. Somebody looked around and we thought, oh, that doesn't call me, but actually we looked at power in. No, I would have called. I was going to call.
I'm just gonna limp in here with the 6-8. A little bit marginal.
Are we gonna add the 7 bucks bounty in?
I'd like to. 1,000 person.
Alan? The 7 groups?
You trying to do it again? 1,000 person? Okay. Well, I mean, yeah, okay, as long as
Mike?
Yeah. No, I do that. Starting this at 1,000. Alright, then. 1,000 win. Rules of this game are simple. If you manage to win a pot with 7 deuce, you collect $1,000.
Alright, so we're looking good here. We got the 6s. I'm trying to think what we want to represent here. We're going to represent pocket 4s, and we're going to bet 4-4-4. Because pocket 4s probably, we want them to think we have pocket 4s, so they might make a play with a hand like pocket 5s, and we have pocket 5s dominated, drawn dead. So we definitely want him to try to make a play if he has pocket 5s, and he doesn't. And I have trip 6s, so I take the pot down. I'd say that was very well played by me. 9-10, we're just going to fold that. Let's check our stats here, how we're doing. So we've been playing pretty tight, I'd say. Folding some hands that we shouldn't have, but sometimes you want to play tight depending on the table. Like this table is very aggressive, so we've been playing a little tighter than usual. But I like how we're playing. We're not catching too many hands now, so I like that we're playing well and getting a nice stack here. Hopefully we can get one more hand in before my time limit runs out here. Then I'll be starting a nice par 4. But I really like how we're playing here. Folded the 9-10, which was very horrible of me. Definitely feel a 7 coming on the river. I made a really bad laydown there. I should have called that. And this guy moves all in, would have just been giving me money. But you know, sometimes you make mistakes in poker, and you know, at least we're still in the tournament after that big mistake. Matt probably has 9. I think he probably has 4-5. He bet 450. He had 9-10, and he hit the straight. Like I said, I knew it was coming. So very well played by Matt. Very, very well played. We got the Queen Ace now. A 10 and a 1 would mean 1,010, so we're gonna make it 1,010 to go. This will be the last hand of this section here. And so hopefully someone puts me on like an ace 10 or something that you think, and they have ace jack and they move in. That would be very fortunate for me. So hopefully someone does that. I would like some action though. I hope he calls. United States player, and they fold. So we'll see you in another part soon.